and know that you got a system that's going to carry you through summer, many summers, to get you through and not have to worry about your air conditioner system. Stay on that maintenance program every year to make sure that your system, even your new system, lasts many years and stays as efficient as possible. So that's pretty much why you need air conditioner maintenance. And I suggest that you go and get a professional company like Anthem Mechanical to come out there, take care of your maintenance for you, make sure it's professionally done, and you're ready for your summer. So again, our maintenance program is $14.95 a month. It's an annual contract, and you get a whole bunch of benefits from priority service to discounts in parts and labor and weekend services. And then you get the peace of mind knowing that it's done. If you want to pay yearly, it's $185.